Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and navigating to Display and Brightness so you can change screen zoom immediately. Once there, look for View under Display Zoom. It shows standard and zoomed previews. Tap the preview you want to inspect and use the Preview button to confirm layout changes. Make sure to read the on-screen sample because this affects icon size and text. When you're ready, tap Set. The phone will restart to apply the chosen zoom setting. Next, you switch to Accessibility if you need finer control. Go to Settings, Accessibility, then zoom to enable system-wide magnification. Once enabled, you can use 3-finger double tap to zoom and drag to pan. This gives temporary magnification without changing layout. Make sure to set the maximum zoom level and choose whether you want the zoom controller for easier access. If you prefer window zoom, select it so a resizable magnifier follows your gestures instead of full-screen zoom. Finally, confirm any display or accessibility changes and allow your iPhone to restart if prompted so settings take effect. Once done, test several apps to ensure text and buttons display correctly. Some apps may not adapt perfectly. If things go wrong, reset all settings to revert display preferences without deleting data, and then reapply zoom options. Also make sure iOS is up to date because many display issues get fixed in system updates. Install any pending updates and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.